It can't be any more sneezes in there.
There is.
Is it? That's like 5 or 6 sneezes in a row. No way! There's no more. Definitely no more.
They're going coming in there.
They're going to come in a little while, are they? Are they going to creep you up? That's crazy. That was like 7 sneezes in a row. You can't make them happen. Achoo, achoo, achoo. 3.14159. Tissue, we all fall down. Is that yummy? I can't believe you just sneezed all that many times in a row. You sneezy baby.
I don't know.
Is that yummy?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's gone.
What is it?
It's gone.
What's it scone?
A yummy scone.
A yummy, what flavour scone is it?
No more.
A tea scone.
A tea scone.
Don't do that, don't make a mess. Very tasty. Good. That was a big mouthful. Oh, what's on telly? Shaun the Sheep.
Hey,
Shaun the Sheep.
Timmy.
Yeah. Timmy, that's it. Sorry, Timmy. It's Gizzy. So, our little Gizzy, who I've had over half of my life, who's 26 years old. She has days where it's like, is she going to make it? Is she not going to make it? Is she going to make it? And then she always picks up. But now, today, she can't stand anymore. She can't even stand to eat. She can't sit. She's not in any pain. But I don't think she's going to make it through the day, which I'm really trying hard to deal with because I've had it over half of my life. But she's not in any pain. If she was, I'd have taken her to the vets, obviously. But she just wants to eat, drink. Obviously, her kidneys and things are shutting down. And she just wants to sit on my lap. Bless her. Poor girl.